just moved the headstones.
And they left the body.
That's right, Snowball. Get right all up in there. He loves that chicken, huh?
This is unlike anything that I've ever felt before. It's more like a mob.
They suffered a terrible injustice, and that anger and frustration has created a new, more powerful force. The poltergeist. They are trapped and they are desperate. And your daughter is their ticket out of this purgatory.
What do they want with her? They want her to be their lantern in the darkness. To lead them into the light.
What happens if she goes into the light?
Well, there's no getting her back if she does that.
Okay, just because he said that doesn't mean that's true, okay?
Good